Tobacco is a plant with leaves that contains high levels of the extremely addictive chemical nicotine. Tobacco comes from the leaves of the genus Nicotiana, a plant that's part of the nightshade family. This plant is native to North and South America. The tobacco plant has a hairy, thick stem with large leaves that are oval in shape. Nicotine can affect the brain greatly once someone gets addicted to it. People are able to chew, smoke, or sniff tobacco. Most people smoke it from products such as cigarettes, cigars, and biddies. Others may also smoke tobacco by using a pipe or water pipe, also known as a hookah. When nicotine from any tobacco product enters the body, it is absorbed into the blood. Once the nicotine enters the blood, it immediately stimulates the adrenal gland's adrenaline. The adrenaline then stimulates the central nervous system, which causes increased blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing. Similar to cocaine, nicotine increases levels of dopamine, which strengthens rewarding behaviors. Some studies show that other chemicals found in tobacco smoke, such as acetaldehyde, could enhance the effects of nicotine in the brain. To this day, tobacco smoking remains one of the most preventable deaths in the United States. Tobacco smoke alone contains over 7,000 chemicals, many of which are toxic and can cause cancer along with many other health issues. The tobacco plant itself is very adaptable and can grow in almost any climate or soil. Tobacco was once used as a form of currency. It was even used to pay taxes in some parts of the world. The first time tobacco was used was by Native Americans in North America. They used it as a form of medicine while also using it in religious ceremonies. Despite people knowing that smoking tobacco is bad for a lot of things inside the human body, many continue to consume and use tobacco products. Not only is tobacco an issue when it comes to human health, it is also an issue when it comes to economic consumption. Many tobacco farmers earn low wages while working in poor working conditions. Another issue when it comes to tobacco is pollution. Tobacco is a large contributor since farming this plant requires a ton of water, fertilizer, and pesticides. Tobacco products also generate a large amount of waste. Tobacco is usually grown in humid climates with well-drained soil. Countries that produce the most tobacco include Brazil, the United States, China, India, and Zimbabwe. When it comes to tobacco farming, many issues rise such as labor exploitation and human rights violation. As said before, many farmers earn low wages while working in poor working conditions. Many farmers also lack labor protections while also being exposed to many dangerous chemicals. Although this job may come with many dangers, many farmers continue to work in the tobacco farming industry since their income depends on it. Many have no other option than to just keep working despite the industry being corrupt. The industry itself has been criticized for its ways of treating their farmers, especially in developing countries. Overall, the tobacco industry can be a very interesting yet dangerous system. Farmers stay and work in this job despite the dangers that come with it. Tobacco products, once again, contribute a ton when it comes to pollution as well since they produce a lot of waste.